Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to make a dog. Let's start. First, draw an oval. And then draw a cat. And draw his eyes. And draw his ears. Like this. And here draw his beak. And draw sort of this. And at the other side, draw a J. And draw a line. And same thing. And on the other side, do the same thing. And draw his legs. And then draw a curved line. And at the other part, draw the same thing. And in between, draw the same thing. Draw a line. Actually, I mean. I don't have a space, I'm just going to watch. And draw a S here, which is his tail. We're done. But before it's color, you may be wondering what's on my hands. It's a Raki. It looks like this. Alright, let's color now. We're almost done. Now we'll put our yellow away and do another color. Have fun, make it as pretty as you can. Have fun. We're almost done decorating, coloring I mean. Have fun, bye. I made stripes.